I spawned in to rank civilization. In rank civilization, your money mattered. Only certain people have certain amounts of money. On my first day, I realized I had a tunic. It was made of leather and brown. This signified my rank as a noob. No one else lived in my neighborhood. All of them were off to the pro level. I just came here. Everyone else was already gone. All the other people either went to the pro level or they died. To the void. This is the void. It is said that if you jump in, there's a 50% chance you go to pro and a 50% chance you're wiped from existence. Some people dared, and some didn't. The ones that didn't just died of old age. If you wanted to stay here, then you need a house. The poor house cost $6. Rotten flesh were basically dollars in this civilization, and rich house costed 10. I didn't know how to get dollars at the time until I spotted this, a portal. When you came through the portal, there was a shrine. It's a challenge on it. I clicked the button. A zombie came out. Quickly I battled. I was set on fire. It dropped some rotten flesh. 2 rotten flesh. This was equal to $2. So I pressed again. This time I tried some crit hits on it. And it even had a golden helmet. Sadly, it didn't drop. This guy had full leather armor. If I could kill him, maybe I could get some more protection. But once again, just rotten flesh. If I wanted 10 for the big house, I would need to do a lot of grinding here. Not to mention my hunger. I kept grinding and kept grinding. Rotten flesh wasn't exactly the easiest to get, considering I had to kill this many zombies, even for a little bit. My hunger was running low. I knew I needed to regenerate soon. At least I had 7. I kept going, go, until my sword broke. This was not good. I would have to go as far as I could with 8 rotten flesh. I looked over at the big house. It looked so amazing. The rich house had a bed, an arbor stand, chests. It had everything I could have ever wanted. But now that my sword broke, all I could get was the poor house for 6 rotten flesh. I decided I'd take a bite of one. Then I realized why there was the milk in the shop. Whew, good thing I got that. My last remaining 6 rotten flesh, I decided I would buy the poorhouse. So I threw my rotten flesh, signifying the poorhouse. I looked. There I saw someone. It was a statue of someone with an iron chest plate. I wonder if I could get to the pros one day, how different my life would change. For now, I would be stuck with this house. Put my bucket in. I set my spawn point. I realized something. I don't just want to stay here and die of starvation. If I'm gonna become a pro in money civilization, I'm gonna have to take the chance. But I didn't have a sword. I didn't have a thing. It seemed hopeless. But there's one thing I was certain of. My journey was